The next ring in this bowl is what I call a double ring. The double ring, which means it doesn't align with this ring. As you can see, there's an overlap. The double ring is designed to overcome the limits of the bandsaw, which can only cut at 45 degrees. In creating this ring, we are able to achieve angles of 60 and higher. But this creates an alignment problem, and so for the double ring, what we're doing is we're aligning the glue joint on the double ring with the glue joint on this bottom piece, and the same at this side here. Having done that, though, we have to further make sure that the distance here and the distance here are the same. To make these distances the same, what I do is I use a pair of dividers like this, and I basically take the measurement, I should do it this way, from on the glue line of the double ring, from where the bottom ring hits to the cut edge. I then take that measurement and transfer it across to the other side here. Now I can see from that this side here is slightly larger than the other side, so I just gently move it down a little bit. I then take the measurement again and adjust my dividers. Now it looks awkward because I'm doing it backwards, so that the camera can see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, so that's it there, and boy, that hits. We just adjusted it perfectly. Now, you know what, that's fine. Now everything's lined up. The other thing you'll find is the other glue joints here and on the other side are also lined up. What I do, and also you'll note the numbers that we put on these sides here, the number 5 is here and the number 4 is here, so that means the wood is oriented properly. What I do to keep this alignment is I put a line here and I put a mark down and straight out. I put another line here and another mark down and straight out. If I get off kilter a little bit, I put a slight line like that to make sure that the V is right on the point of this other line. On the other side, I do the same thing, except I put 2 marks, a double mark, and this is to ensure that I don't get the orientation wrong on the piece. Then on top of that, I draw a line, but not joining up to those previous marks. This is where I'm going to this will be my guidelines for laying glue down. So, and there, now we're ready to move this piece off. And you can see my single marks here and here, my double marks here and here, and my glue surface, which I'm going to apply glue to.